Where are you guys going?
Hong Kong!
Hey guys, we're at Naiya na. So, we're gonna pass through immigration muna. Then, we're gonna wait for our boarding. What are you doing?
Playing, of course.
Hi.
Hello.
Tita Beng. Hi. Tita Joy. Ilo na. Hi, Louie. Hi, sir. Marami pang next to. Now here at the lounge, and si Kev and Luis, they have free lounge access. So, syempre, sulitin na natin. Sayang naman, di ba? So, I am with Clor. So, nagpa-play siya sa iPad niya. So, kumuha na ako ng aking food. So, ayan. So, this one is spinach, bread, then pasta, syempre siomai, then kimchi fried rice. So, let's eat. So we're on our way now to our boarding gate. We are at gate 1. And then we're gonna leave by 7:05. Ayan, nagbo-board na pala guys. Okay, so let's just wait for us to be called.
Ano kayo, Ben? Ben, ano? Yes.
Boarding na guys. So mga around 2 hours na ata ang biyahe. As I remember it. So let's go. Let's fly to Hong Kong. Guys, we now arrived here at the Hong Kong International Airport. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, let's get our baggage guys. Para makapunta na tayo sa ating hotel. So we're now here at we're almost there, nasa immigration. Medyo malayo pala yung lalakarin, no? Before maabutin yung immigration. But, after this naman, hopefully, yung mga bags namin umiikot na sa carousel para kukunin na lang namin. Kasi yung sundo namin, nasa may parking na raw ng airport. So, let's go! Guys, so we just arrived here at Disney Hollywood Hotel. So, ayan guys. So, we're just dropping off our baggages. Thank you! Then, we're gonna leave this first sa lobby. 3 p.m. pa yung check-in. So, let's go! Ayan sila. Ayan, so meron palang sarili silang luggage storage counter. So, at least, pwede namin iwan muna to dito and then balikan na lang namin at 3 p.m. kapag ready to, ano na kami, check-in. Where are you right now, Clark?
I'm at the Disneyland Hotel.
Okay, let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so nauna kami. They were just waiting for yung iba pa namin kasama before we officially go to the luggage storage area and put our luggages inside. Mga naka-costume. Yung si Bebe. Ay, hindi ba costume yan?
Natural ko to.
Ayaw eh. Tapos may ano pa siya guys, may camera. So ano, very photographer ang atake niya. So yun na po, si Cinderella Rockstar. Fashion by Mother. Tapos ito po, si Woody. Woody Woodpecker. Ay, mali. Hi ka, hi sa vlog.
There's a snake in my boots.
Saan yung boots mo? Patingin? Wala namang snake eh. Tsaka di naman boots yan, Dio. Ako guys, ano lang, forma-forma lang, na parang nagmo-mall. bigyan na natin sa mga kids yung mga ganyang atake. Divine intervention. So we're going to the bus, guys, for bus transfer kasi to. Para hindi na kami lalakarin yung Disneyland itself. Dahil medyo malayo siya, guys, if lalakarin. Actually, hindi ata talaga possible if lalakarin. So, better talaga na mag-bus transfer. So, let's go. Ay, tatayo na lang tayo, guys. Hi guys, we're finally here in Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. So ito na guys yung first picture taking, which is yung arc ko. Papunta na kami doon. After that, we're gonna claim our tickets or may ticket na pala. More of ano lang kami, magpa-pass through. It's been a while since nagpunta ako dito sa Disneyland. 2008 yung last ko, guys. So
May instructions na to.
kayo na mag-compute.
Pagpasok
Yung mag-math muna today. So let's go. Clarky, welcome to Disneyland. Are you happy? Ay, hindi naman siya happy. This is the happiest place on earth, sabi nila.
Di kasi napipeke yan.
Ay, di ba? Oo nga eh.
Paps, di napipeke yung emotion.
Oo nga eh. Sige na. Luna, welcome to Disneyland. Ay, para namang di kayo happy naman. Marami akong mga gusto ma-achieve dito. Mga TikTok and everything. Papatulong ako kay Ate Joy sa pag-shoot ng mga TikTok ko dito. Okay? Guys, ang weather ngayon is medyo humid. Madilim ng konti. So medyo may pangamba na baka umulan. Pero hopefully hindi umulan. So, let's go. Mukhang malayo yung lakad pa to from the Arc going to the entry mismo. Entrance pala. Hi guys, nabili na namin ang mga hats for this Disneyland. Ariel naman ako. Doon na. Diba? Umiilaw pa yung kanya. So mamayang gabi i-on niya yan para bongga. Oh my gosh guys, I can already see the castle! Grabe, it's been a long time since I visited Disneyland. Grabe, ang saya! Childhood! Ay,
Diyan tayo nun, mga 10 years old.
ay. Hi guys, so we bought ice cream, the Stitch Sherbet ice cream.
Please ko yung bag.
It's giving blueberry fruity pop.
Baka kasi pang
Tara.
grade tayo.
Hello, Disneyland! Ayan guys, so nakapasok na kami doon sa castle na daanan. So I think halos lahat ng mga main attractions is nandito na. So ang first attraction doon na pupuntahan namin ay si Elsa! Frozen Ever After. So let's go! Luna, nasan tayo? Are we in Arendelle? Okay, let's go. Frozen ride. Ako lang mag-isa, guys. And I love it! Okay, let's go. So, tignan natin kung ano yung aming next na Enchanto for today. Ay! Hindi yan! Clarky, gusto mo ba yung ganong kabilis, ha?
Ay, ayoko!
Ayoko!
Toy Story 9. Wala nito kung 130 yung pa. Sige pa rin kami na.
With Woody! Our next stop is Toy Story Land. Oh my God, ang laki ni Woody!
All my toy friends, welcome.
Luna. Hi. So we're gonna ride Slinky. Very ano lang siya, very cutesy, very chill na ride. Ayun na daw ng mga bagets yung mga buwababa, bigla bumapagsak, parang yung Frozen. So let's make pila-pila na.
Ay, akala ko ang waiting.
Naiwan kami ni Ate Luna. Here, tayo ka dyan. Are you ready?
Yes.
Pakita mo yung ano mo, yung pass mo. Wow! Wait natin mag-open ang door. Sige, pasok.
Di man ako
心啲台網隙，經我樹立新山坡，為確保安全，請坐
Nasaan tayo, Luna?
將手臂腳
Nasa head.
保持喺車裏面，仲要睇住啲小朋友啊。
Say hi.
Benny，
Si Parker. Wala, bumibilis na. Vroom! Okay, let's go. Say hi to Sparker here. Hello na, dyan. Okay, go the other side, Ate Luna. Let's take a picture. Thank you, Buzz. Say thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. What are you playing? Are those bongos? Wow, very good. So, ngayon na yung parade. So, almost 1:49 na. And mag-lunch pa lang kami, guys. Pero worth it naman. Ang dami namin mga nakitang mga Disney characters. So, let's go! Ayan pa yung castle sa likod. So, yeah. Hindi na natin mag-regroup yung mga kasama ko. Then we're gonna go na and leave and have lunch. Mas kakain sa may Tomorrowland. Kasi after namin mag-lunch, yung next na ride na aming i-achieve is yung Iron Man. So, ano lang kami. Starliner diner daw kami kakain. Let's go!
Fried chicken combo. Mababa naman yung pila eh, so... Ay, cake. Glad ito ko gusto niya.
Guys, let's have some lunch. Shrimp burger.
Pero pwede ko yung babalik ito kayo. Siguro mga ano tayo.
Hi guys, we just finished our lunch sa Starliner Diner. And now we're gonna have our Iron Man experience. Saan ka pupunta? Sino pa panoorin mo?
Ginang Kendra.
Ba't ako? You na follow them. Wow, may shade si Luna. Suot mo nga, Luna. Patingin. Patingin nga. Wow. Bakit naman kay Mama Joy? Wow.
Meron naman.
Hey guys, I'm wearing my Stark Vision glasses for the Stark Iron Man ride. Ano ba? Nakalimutan ko yung ride. Basta 4D daw ito na parang mala real to. So, let's give it a go. Hey guys, we just finished the Ironman. It's a really good experience. Medyo naalog-alog lang. Hindi pala siya good idea na gawin after lunch kasi alog-alog yung mga tiyan, tsaka yung mga utak. Pero ang ganda. I love it. Ang ganda experience siya. Especially with mga bagets. Next naman is Ant-Man and the Wasp. So ito guys, medyo interactive kasi yung mga babarilin daw kami mga Ektoneso Hay. So at least I think mas magugustuhan ni Clark to kasi at least siya may ginagawa siya.
2号，战车即将开始前进。
Next stop is Philharmony. Philharmony pala.
Rolling coming in. Thanks for filling in all the available seats. That's right, ma'am.
Okay, for our last two rides, before we go back first sa hotel, is yung Mystic Point tsaka Grizzly Gulch. And then after that, we're gonna go back to the hotel first to freshen up. And then we're gonna go back here kapag malapit na yung time for the fireworks.
Not there yet.
Si Woody po ay pagod na. Pinalis na yung kanyang costume. Ayun yung churros. Is that the churros? Oh, it's not. Vlog. Picture daw kayo ni Daddy. Picture kayo ni Daddy. Oh, Luna, smile. Katabi namin si Luna. Hi guys, this is the last ride before we head back to the hotel. The Big Grizzly Mountain. So ano daw siya? Parang roller coaster na mabilis pero walang mga loop.
Yung Big Grizzly Mountain.
So, let's give it a go! Buti G na G sila Luna dito kahit sinabihan na namin na medyo mabilis siya. Atake pa rin sila. G pa rin daw sila. So let's go! Let's go! And roller coaster for the atake! Let's go! Oh my God! Agad-agad! Oh my God! Agad-agad pala siya! Wala man na pa-warning! Oh my gosh! Feeling ko big drop to guys. Alin na nga! Ayan na! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nakakaloka! 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 Oh my God! Woo! Ay, yan na! Oh my God! Diyos ka, Lord! Bakit bumaba? Hindi ko in-expect yun! Slow, slow. Let's go! Oh my God! Sobrang adrenaline, no? Sobrang adrenaline niya. Woo! Tapos na. Oh my God, I love it. Meron pa pala! Oh my God! Meron pa pala! Oh my God! Tapos, hindi pa pala tapos! Oh my God! Kasi hindi kami okay eh. Grabe yun! Akala ko tapos na eh, biglang bumabang gumanon. Ay, grabe yun guys. Sobrang saya niya, sobrang adrenaline. Yung tipong hindi mo na-expect na bababa siya, tapos biglang aangat na naman. Ay, Diyos ko. May mga kasama pa kami mga bata. Pero kinaya nila. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda nun for the last ride, in fairness. He's speechless, guys. He is speechless. Grabe. Si Yuna, oh. Na-trauma na siya. Hindi naman din kasi yun, guys. Ano po siya, hindi po siya pang bata. Pero, grabe. Kinaya po nila Clark. Pero si Luna po parang na-trauma. Sobrang speechless niya. Parang hindi alam kung iiyak pa siya o ano eh. So yung Grizzly Mountain, di ba pala yung last? Ito pang River Cruise. Yung last na ride before we head back to the hotel. So you may get wet down. Oh well, let's get wet.
Bye-bye! On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, I am your skipper. My name is Hugo. You can call me Skipper Hugo, okay? Follow me, where's the way? Yes, way there! Whoa! Oh yeah!
Just gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the shuttle to arrive, and then this will directly drop us off sa hotel. Guys, we made it to the hotel. So ito yung aming room. Ayan, kasi ang roommate ko guys si Pepe and si Dayan. So ang theme ng aming room is Avengers. So naka-check-in kami sa Disneyland Hollywood Hotel. So yung floor na to, yung napuntahan naming floor, ang theme niya is Avengers. I think yung mga iba-ibang floors, iba-iba yung mga theme. So I'm not sure. Kayo anong theme yung last yung room dito?
Parang castle eh. Parang
Disneyland
ganun.
Hotel.
Disneyland Hotel kasi.
Ah, okay.
So, wala siyang
Hindi siya
theme.
Disneyland
Hindi siya-
Hollywood Hotel.
Ah.
Ay, iba pa pala yun.
Parang castle vibe yun.
Oh, wait, yung
Old
Disneyland
English.
Hotel, doon
Old
talaga siya
English.
mismo sa...
Hindi, along this road red.
Kung magkakatabi sila.
Oo,
Explorer,
magkakatabi sila.
Hollywood, tsaka, marami pala. Okay, mag-freshen up lang kami guys and then, ngayon 5:45, so mamaya 7, diretso na kami sa Disney Park ulit for the fireworks. Good evening! So, ayan mga kasama ko. So, nag-freshen up na kami. Nagpalit ako ng mas comfortable na clothing dahil medyo warm na talaga dito ngayon. So, babalik na kami. Currently, guys, it's 6:49. So, babalik na kami sa Disney Park para abangan na yung fireworks. So, let's see kung kakain muna kami or haharap na kami ng uupuan for the fireworks. Kasi usually, people are like going there early para mas maaga silang makapagharap ng upuan or pwesto for the fireworks kahit 1 hour early, you know, just to secure the spot. And we are back here at Disneyland Resort. So, ang ganda niya paggabi. Very shiny. Yung kanyang ear ay umiilaw. Hi, Luna. Medyo dumadami na po yung mga tao. Actually, marami na yung tao kasi konting minutes na lang mag-start na yung fireworks. So, pupuno na yung area, especially near the castle. So, laban na to. So, we're heading home na. Mapunta na kami sa hotel. So, I guess yung next clip is yung ganap na lang namin tomorrow. Bye! Morning. It's breakfast time.
Grabe yung cake niya, no? Talaga.
It's breakfast time.
Buti pala nag-alarm siya.
Oh, it's Minnie. Ink and plate. So this is where we're going to have our buffet breakfast. Sabi ni Pepe, may mga ano dito, mga characters na pusul-pusul-pot. So while having breakfast, pwede kami magpa-picture and everything. So yeah.
Dito, lumabas na po. Pero dahil nyo pang kain.
So ba?
Okay.
Kamusta yung food?
Hindi halata parang hindi nababalik eh.
Kaya nga eh. Si Luna, oh, fruits lang siya, pancake, tsaka yogurt. Ikaw, ma'am, yan sa'yo. Dito, Ben, ano sa'yo?
Ito, sorted na.
Yan. Ka-black po?
Sorted.
Okay.
Where's mine, bro?
Wala ka, hindi ka namin binigyan.
Tatlo yan eh! Guys, we are going to unbox some Disney mystery box over here. Tapos, some Monsters Inc. Tapos, nagbubukas na siya! Wait lang! Tapos si Zootopia, Inside Out, Buzz Lightyear, Woody, tapos si Mirabel. Okay. So, nakuha niya si Woody and Buzz Lightyear. Ako, ang gusto ko makuha ay si Inside Out,
Tagal ah.
yung Up.
Ako yung up, si Baymax. Pero kung hindi sa akin, si Dayan siguro gusto niya yung Inside Out or si Mirabel.
Okay. Let's open! Oh my God! Ay!
Uy, si Red Panda.
Si Red Panda!
Pwede sa amin yan kung,
Sige.
kung maganda yung... Unless up to or Baymax.
Oh my God. Sheesh.
Binibit mo yung...
Pag Inside Out yan.
Inside Out to.
We?
Inside Out
Okay.
nga.
Switch!
Palit.
Palit! Inside Out. Ano nga yung name ng movie niya?
Ano nga, Turning Red?
Turning Red. And si
Cute.
Buzz Lightyear.
And Woody.
For Town Forever, pero 5 sila.
Yay! Pakita niyo. Bye! Hi guys, so we just arrived at our hotel here in downtown Hong Kong. So, Ibis Hotel kami ngayon. Passport. Okay, so let's see kung anong ating next ganap for today. We're now here in our hotel room. So, City View siya. And ito ang room for today until the end. So, let's relax muna and then we're gonna buy coffee. After that, we're gonna go to Causeway Bay after this. We're gonna look for a place to have a quick lunch and mag-ano muna kami. Buy muna pala kami ng coffee sa Starbucks and then we're gonna have a quick lunch after. Tapos, dito pala guys, halos kailangan ng universal na adapter. Eh, di yun nakadala. So, bibili po kami sa 7-Eleven and bibili kami ng octopus card for the train later.
Okay, 1 Robux is to like 1 peso. Or parang less. Pero hindi pa.
Sige, lagay ko lang dito. Hindi naman ito kayo gusto.
How much did I give you? 10? So from 100,000, naging 10 na.
Itong
Okay
batang
na yun,
to.
marami ka nang nabili doon.
Puro Roblox. Napapakain ka ba niyan? Ha?
What does that mean?
Does that feed you? No, di ba?
Ayoko nga.
Hi guys, so we're just looking for the 7-Eleven store. Ayun na pala. Tatawid lang kami and then we're gonna buy the octopus card and buy some Universal Port. And then, dito na rin kami bibili ng food. Kasi, you know, para hindi masyado mahal. So, yeah. Dito. Kami sa hotel and kakain kami ng yung mga binili namin sa 7-Eleven. And nakabili na rin kami ng yung universal adapter. Yeah. So, kailangan meron kayo yan. Lesson learned for me. We're heading out to the train station para pumunta sa Causeway Bay para mag-explore ng mga malls and tingnan natin kung makakapag-shopping kami, okay? Pero ayan na yung mga kasama ko. Mark, where's your iPad?
Here.
Secret.
Secret. Okay, here. So we're now here at the train station. Hindi ko na nabasa kung anong station to. Pero we're gonna ride this station going to the Causeway Bay. Darcy, para po na award mo.
For now,
You'll tap it there.
Clarky, pakita mo din yung card.
Show your card. Hi guys, I have my octopus card. So ito yung gagamitin namin for the train. So para siyang suwika ng Japan. Love it. Ay, pinahawak ko kasi sa kanya. Sorry naman. Wow, Luna! Successful!
請勿靠近車門，切
it's scary. Please.
請勿靠近我們，前面一行港市民，please stand by。
Wow, very good, Clark. Okay, we're now here at Causeway Bay Station. So, lalabas na lang kami. Then, after that, we're gonna figure out what's next. Keep left, guys. Keep left.
Palipingan.
Guys, we're here at Mushi at Windsor. So, after namin maglakad-lakad and everything, kami ay magbibili ng dinner before kami lumipad sa may Victoria Harbor, Victoria Peak. Kasi doon na rin kami mag-tram and then Madame Tussauds. Kasi it's the first time for the kids to visit the Watt Museum. So, might as well bring them there. Order's here.
Wait lang.
I ordered the drip coffee.
Rose Osmanthus. Ay, soda ba to? Sorry.
Dapat tinuloy mo na lang yung order mo kung gusto mo talaga.
Mamaya baliktad pala ko.
Hindi, oh.
Hindi, soda nga.
Soda, diba? Dalawa daw.
At
So,
yun na kami
share.
isa-isa.
Isa.
Hindi, pero mo yung sa akin kasi gusto ko side by side.
Di mamaya na lang kasi si Dubs eh. Di,
Nakuha sa video yun. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sige, ako yung akin lang. Side by side.
Sige,
Oh
mamaya.
my gosh.
Na ibig sabihin lang nun, di ba? Ikaw unang kakagat, tsaka ikaw yung anong side by side?
Sige, sabi.
Side by side, oh my God.
Ben, kanya-kanyang trip yan. Kanya-kanyang trip yan, okay?
Side by side. Sige, side by
Wala na
side.
nung side.
Pero parang gusto ko rin i-try yun. Like, nakaka-curious siya, yung side by side. Oo. Na-try lang naman namin. Gusto ko rin try yun.
Pwede pa ano nung receive? Pag ganito.
Wala na nung side by side.
We are here in the line for the bus going to Victoria Peak. So, we're just waiting for the arrival of the bus. Within 2 minutes na darating na. Pero kung hindi kami umabot, dahil medyo marami rin kami, we're just going to split up the group. Then, we're just going to wait for another bus after. Okay? Mga 20 minutes lang daw from here in Victoria Peak. So, itong gitna. So we're down here at Madame Tussauds and ito na muna yung unahin namin. After this, Victoria Peak na kami and that's gonna be our last. And after that, we're gonna have dinner here as well. And is it okay to have pancit with lots of cheese?
Ay, okay.
Okay, next. Luna, go.
Una, ganun mo na lang.
Luna, pasok ka. Pasok ka dun sa loob. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Si Joy.
Sentro, laking turon.
Opo, nakasentro po. Riri. Oh! Grabe oh. Galing, galing.
Oo, masarap din.
So we ordered bakehouse tart and cold brew, tapos matcha coconut cloud. And after that, we're gonna stay na sa... Iba ba yung Sky, ano no?
Iba pa. Mamaya.
Mamaya pa yan. Okay. Sa may Peak Galleria. So, mukha lang siyang malamig kasi medyo foggy and windy. Pero hindi. Super warm pa rin and everything nice. So, ayan. Hindi mga kasama ko. Si Clark at si Luna, naglalaban sila, oh. Kaya namin yung tart na binili namin sa bakehouse. So, ayan lang. Upo-upo lang sa mga gilid-gilid. Yan. Taste test, guys. Ayan na.
Sure.
Kaninong
Ikaw
TikTok?
pa yung gusto mo.
Ayan. Bakehouse and
Size pa lang.
hashtag B.
May comment
Parang
na.
ikaw yung may pili nun.
Skip hashtag B, guys.
Kevin na ka.
May 1, 2, 3. Ano?
Naamoy na.
Malutong. Malutong ang karat.
Malutong talaga yan, Paps. Chicharon yan eh.
Ay, charon ba to? Pero sarap siya. Fairness. Oo. Ay,
May parang ano.
baka yun yung crunchy-crunchy. Pero may pagkamanamis siya. Ng broly. Sorry, kukuha ko ng...
Sugar syrup.
May game na. Bakehouse na. Bakehouse.
na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Kaya ba?
Wala. Bakehouse for me. Devin, sa'yo. Bakehouse. Luis.
Bake house.
Dayan.
Bakehouse.
Bakehouse ang nanalo. Ayan, ano sa'yo?
Hindi na.
So, mas mura pa yung bake house kaysa sa hashtag. So,
Okay.
although, mas maliit si bake house. Pero,
Yeah.
in terms of taste,
I think
Bake
how good yun kasi perfect night.
Yun nga, correct. Snack size lang siya,
Yung
guys.
una mong bite dito,
Patikim nga
hindi
ulit.
siya balance.
Mm-mm.
tama.
Dito dapat yung una mong bite. para
Yeah.
masarap.
Yan ang mga pay size comparison. Yan po yung hashtag B, and then ito po yung Bakehouse. So, ayun po ang aming feedback. Okay?
That's the verdict.
That's the verdict. So, ubusin na namin to, guys. Bye muna. Hey guys, so we're now here at Max Noodle, and we're gonna have dinner here. After this, agad na kami dun sa Sky Ranch. Charot. Ano nga yung name nun? Sky Terrace. Tingnan namin kung may makikita pa kami kasi sobrang foggy talaga. Pero yun, kakain muna kami. Guys, we're headed up to the Sky Terrace. So, ito na yung last na aming ganap for tonight. So, I'll just go show you some sneak peek and then just some clips kung may makikita kami. Kasi medyo foggy talaga. Hindi pa medyo, sobrang foggy. So, I'm just gonna show you some clips kung meron. Kung wala, yung next day na yung papakita ko.
台門通票，長者台門通票，成人台門通票。
Go to Joy! Grabe, puro fog. Wala talaga makita because of the fog. So, yeah.
Nalulula ako.
We're just gonna have a moment here and like see kung
So,
ano pa yung makikita namin dito. Pero mukhang wala talaga. Pero it's an experience, you know.
Turn around. Turn around. No, please. I'm gonna disappear.
We're heading home na. So,
sayang, nandito si Clark.
so dito kami sa
May
pinaka
dalawang tao lang na
sa door 1
Yung gusto ko
for the experience. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung nakaganon.
dalawa lang.
So, yeah. Okay, let's go. So, ito yung upuan ko, guys. Oh my God! Nasa pinakaharap ako, guys. Ayun, katabi ko yung captain, no? At pinapakan.
Want to be Spider-Man and break that.
Yung top palabas sa harap.
Wala muna na. Wala muna.
Let's go for the ting-ting.
Pwede use that.
So, we're back at the hotel. So, papayin na kami. Bukas na ulit for our next extravagant trip. Ay! Okay, bye-bye. Clark, say goodnight.
Good night, guys.
So, we're now here at Ocean Park. So, time check is 9:30. So, mga 10 pa. 10 pa mag-open yung park. So, hanap muna kami ng place tumambay and everything. So, let's go. Nagtatagalog daw eh.
Oo, nagsasalamat. Nag-play siya ng Tagalog. Di naman siya nagtatagalog na fluent, pero alam niya yung words.
Kamusta kayo?
Kamusta?
Wow. Tapos pag diniretsyong Tagalog, sabi, ha?
Alam mo ba?
Tapos sabi niya, ano daw? Sabi niya, sorry only, kamusta?
Kinanta niya nga yung di lang ikaw po eh.
Ay, wow. Pay, ano ba?
Si Laika.
Ay, taray. Kami, sa loob. And, hindi pa pala kami sa pinakaloob. Pero maghihintay lang kami na mag 10 o'clock bago kami pumasok officially. So, yan. Picture muna kami. Wow. Ano yan, Clark?
Rock.
Rock. Nasaan siya? Ang ginagawa niya?
He's AFKing.
Pero pumasok in a bit. So, Ayan, we're just gonna wait for a few minutes before we officially go in. So, ang plano ata namin is yung aquarium or yung panda muna na unahin namin.
Hey, what's that?
Next namin is yung Giant Panda Adventure. And then after that, pupunta na kami dun sa cable car for our transfer sa other side of the ocean park. Nina, nakatayo niya. Ito yung POV na yung mga tao ay init na. Yan, yan yung aircon. Oh, tumapat ang mga ate mo sa aircon. Galing! Headed to the cable car station. So, yeah. Para makalipat na kami sa other side. Full car time! Are you excited? Eh? May halo po kasi siyang kaba at takot.
Ay! Bakit yan?
Wow! Yung 108 sila. 108. So, on the other side of the park, nakababa na kami sa aming dito, cable car. So, ayan, mga ganap pa dito. Polar Adventure, Shark Mystic, tapos Rainforest. And then dito na kami magla-lunch. Tapos tuloy-tuloy ito hanggang mamayang gabi. So yung una namin pupuntahan ay Polar Adventure.
Just gonna do something first, then eat.
And then after that, magla-lunch na raw kami. Looking forward for that specific part.
Ano, watch them dive
One of my
again.
favorite animals, the penguins. They're so cute. Other penguin. Ay, so ang cute. Alam mo kung di ka lang mahal, bibilin kita. Pero kung mahal-mahal mo, so bye-bye. Iwan na kita dito, okay? Bye! So, kukunin ba kita? Yes or no? Kukunin ko ba siya? Yes or no? Tagal yung sumagot, so it's a yes.
Uy!
We're gonna eat!
I mean, right now you do.
Tuxedos! We're gonna eat here at Tuxedos! Oh, sige, nakakain na tayo!
May view ng penguins.
Uy, we! Wow!
Clark, wait.
At the Tuxedos restaurant, and maganda siya kasi may view ng mga penguin. So while we're eating, nakikita namin mga penguin na lumalangoy-langoy. I love it! Joy, go na! Okay guys, we're gonna check for the dolphin, and then check namin yung rainforest. So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Sobrang busog dun guys. Ang laki ng serving. Pero in fairness, masarap yung food. And ang ganda ng parang background namin kasi nakita namin yung mga penguin. So, let's explore kung ano pa yung mga ganap dito. Okay?
Excuse
Turkey, the Great White, Yes, we're gonna ride the Ferris wheel. Paano lang ang oras while waiting for the 3:30 p.m. Dolphin Show. Luna, say hi! Ay, kunyari, hindi siya takot, Luna, say hi! Ay, Mama Joy pala. Ayun yung iba sila. So, patapos na. Ganun lang kabilis, guys. 5 minutes lang siya naikot. Actually, hindi nga 5 minutes. Parang kiniliti lang kami. Ano ba yun? Ay, hindi. May isa pa palang ikot. Akala ko tapos na. Guys, akala ko tapos na. Like legit. Okay, we're going down. Para makita yung best seat. Para magtabi-tabi kami. We are seated. We're gonna watch the dolphin show in about 30 minutes. Pauwi na kami. Well, pabalik na kami dun sa mainland. Mainland, so mga 4 p.m. na ngayon. Pero goal kasi namin mga 4:30 or 5, nandun na kami sa kabilang side dahil 6 o'clock to 6:30 yung sundo ng aming mga van. So, dapat ma-achieve na namin yon. Pero pabalik, di na kami mag-cable car. Yung sasakyan namin is itong Ocean Express Summit Station. So, yan siya. So, instead of cable car, kasi para siyang train. So, at least mas maraming capacity yung kasya. And hindi na siya nakakalula. So, yun yung mga additional benefits. So, mamaya na lang ulit. So, let's see kung ano yung mga next clips. And we are back! So, in a few minutes, actually in an hour, kami ay uuwi na! Grabe, Pagoda Tragedy, pero laban. So it's our last official shopping day for Hong Kong. Tomorrow, lilipad na kami going to the Philippines. So, ito yung araw na lang for us to buy pasalubong, mag-shopping kung gusto namin. So, let's give it a go. So, it's my first time trying this Shanghai kind of fried buns. So, marami siyang mga Michelin Bib Gourmand stamps. So, I hope I like it.
Kasi hindi kasi yung in-order ko.
Mainit ni guys, mainit.
Paano ko nung malapit? Kasi kung hindi, didiretso na kayo.
So we just tried the pan-fried buns. So good. Ano siya, parang siyang xiaolongbao na prito. So masarap. Kailangan mo lang palamigin ng konti kasi mapapaso ka ng malala. Pero ang sarap niya guys. Early get bakit meron siyang Bib Gourmand. Up to now. Love it!
Puro bag lang.
We're done with our souvenir shopping. It's time for us to have our lunch. We're here at Dim Dim Sum Bangkok. So, they have dumplings and everything. So, let's go! Here at K11, you say underground underpass. So we're gonna go to Victoria Bay for some sightseeing. And after that, we're gonna look for somewhere to have dinner. What are you doing? What are you playing? Ano? Eggy party? Are you an egg? Ano yung tsura ng egg? Patingin? Hindi, ikaw, pakita mo sa camera. Eh, ikaw, yung mukha mo, mukhang egg.
I know.
So, we're right here at Five Guys for dinner. So, dapat try ko to sa US to na pero well, ito na lang siya. Hi! Hey guys, let's try the little bacon cheeseburger. Tapos yung fries na order ko guys is yung Cajun fries. Sarap siya. Bagay siya sa ketchup.
Ano doon?
Yan yung burger.
Pinoy doon. Mag-ano itong order?
Sobrang juicy ng burger, yung patty. Patty? Yun natin ang patty.
Intense.
Guys, so it's already 9:34 in the evening. Pero gutom pa rin ang mga Becky dahil kami ay pupunta sa Ichiran for some midnight snack. Midnight snack? Pero ilaban na natin yan. Dahil ang craving for ramen ay kahit anong oras at kahit saan. So, laban na yung mga kasama ko. Kaya sauce. Hola! So it's our last day here in Hong Kong. So tonight we're gonna fly back to the Philippines, mga 6 p.m. ang aming boarding. So ayan guys, nag-impake na ako ng mga pinamili and also yung mga damit ko. So I really had a good time in Hong Kong, especially kasama ko yung family ko. Kasi talagang masaya talaga mag-travel with family. And of course, going back to Disneyland, Ocean Park, going back here as an adult na. Kasi before I went here 2008 yun nga. So mga nasa 13 to 14 years old ako. So ngayon, going back here, reliving memories, sobrang saya. So, ano lang, it's very giving. So yeah, mag-imbake na ako guys. So, I think yung next clip would be sa airport na. Mag-alis na kami. Okay? Bye!
Mobile tray. Please keep it hands during the whole journey. 请勿靠近车门并请沿途。
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.